Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about enabling speakers on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer that they may have been previously disabled on. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select the system tile, and then on the left side underneath system, select sound. And then on the right side, there should be something that says manage sound devices. Go ahead and select that. And then locate your speaker device listed in here. And that's been disabled. It should say disabled right above it. And then select enable. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, on that. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.